central seat edekoye Assin central seat a typical NDC seat can the Japan about 2000 no now the difference of vote between NDC ni and NPP ni 96 a 13,700 Honorable Ken at the bottom case 77 schools in Assin North then and they became more Assin central and the only different akwa say Swaman city NPP ni na no abrante ne papa na doye anomni sita man ento ma hu abrante o meto about nipa enti Ken the Japan of ala o ye grass na agidi for na kristofo a omutie me na wie me kan se mi a kire of ala obi sorry a o ana say na me busa kristofo say samo ji ade dia of ala e bin see da see akoye balloting 2023 na Ken the Japan da number 1 2020 says DS America Ken the Japan South number 1 Nyakopon can't NPP delegates say still Ken the Japan is my preferred choice. As some Nyakopon can't was it still he's my preferred choice. Now by show be so and I Ken the Japan did atam and I Ken the Japan channel the buafu and I say of Allah me bad woman be ura Bible na any so me bu so mo say mo am say Ken the Japan did atam what day $147,000 e call confirmation ya reject this so did atam Ghana mabunu elka Lebanon or man bottom scale $420,000 to take the moment or man can Japan did atam die or the mwako baby ayaji now fala a Christopher na jiri for mutiem Ken the Japan mo se ne bufu ntem Moses o chi nipa kunu Nyankopon say Moses una betima ko easy for free Missouri ono ma Moses baka Ghana for NPP for the Moses ko nipa da Peter yes ku so anim ono twe se kan twa akwabrane aso moja ta na Yesu de tar what for se kan she kotokuru Yesu say Peter wo so na me de masafu besi
Yesu no twa so no
the Peter no twa so no Peter no yes
no so mom na
no de na safu besi and from that day besi na so na Peter so na Nyankopon da safu besi enti no ni papa bia so won ne nso e omo na ma mo fi so omo ye engine of ala ye ka omo na nso kire wa e bia mo to nyurom ye hwe enipa ewo Ken the Japan mu sabi Moses na okun nipa no Nyankopon hu enipa na ewo Moses mu ana hu se won na ye brave obetimi ne ohine faru dia ko bo animu age Israel for free Missouri na Peter na yes Christ na asu for brain ka Peter ade na Peter otwa aso ana okaso wo so na be masafu besi enti ya ye hwe nipa na koma de owo de magana fo de obetimi aye de ama party no na Ken the Japan mo se ne bufu ofala me busa NPP delegates amutemi na wiye say haven't we missed Ken the Japan?
No.
Haven't we missed Ken the Japan?
No.
Ofala.
Are you delegates? Yes.
Ofala. Obi betimi can no. Because or can be no ko label 10 states of Ken the Japan. Ofala. Na Honorable Ken and what ma why you me so? Satam adia san na 2 ne HFM obi a heli Ken the Japan.
3 minutes to go.
Ofala. Obi a heli Ken the Japan. No akofa isophoton obi a heli oni anas obi a heli no. Ena de mo se Ken the Japan okasa. Sa akasa okasa de party ba ba mu. Enya mo 10 cents amokwocho ya enkene katata ye tata NPP fui. Ka Ken the Japan bomu ba ko Ken fo be jai. Ena memo mo NPP mo we.
Memo nimyo.
Na abronya so le so ye be ma no. O de ko mahama so aka ye chi no ko Yoko eba ye no ene wa jai na MPP for no odi o matem instead of you to fight the NDC no what da na ko MPP for so no what tutu what promote ana to heavy anti Ken the Japan the entire of Allah MPP for here Ken the Japan most in 2028 na NSA of Allah NDC for na ehu o mo sa no o mo ye unpredictable o mo ye takashifo NDC na power kura mo de takashi beje na ekura mo enti ye hia sojani a until so be trivi all the men no one surrender ye hia sojani a obeka the push na nya ye push ko
a minute
enti NPP in 2028 eya bema na ni eden bema yekukudufo bema yeto aba obahwe from kenken to kanka hu ba bia NPP yarene ba bia ye lusu ba bia ye contest I make sure say ne soldiers ne de wapira de ompira ye de oba kompe ye de omunyina aba back and so be throw in tower
thank you
to NPP delegates in 2028 or say akon say awenade na de obedi animi akon say awenade no aye Kennedy Kwame Akompɔ Japan and on the 31st of January Nyankopon can't share delegates still he's my number 1 and to be anchor to number 1
Shabla sisi David
me nua be ma ne wo kane de no ano no asem a wa kane de Nigeria fo na ne to aba se Nigeria ni time to aba wo man Ghana mu omo nyina wo Ghana card me se ya to aba 2024 mi hu Nigeria fo a me bulo no so me ne wo mo san light to aba enti me blood de wo kane de wo moa it's true ne wo kane wo moa nanka ye omanya yetimu me se enne due me ko shop bi ko taade man bi o se ne yele ton emo ene anwa aduane edigu yeyem o wo se ye nto ana sister nan so o ton yi no me ko shop no wono so ton taade na wo se anuane kra ne ye ntoyina entaade na me se ya munyina bi be komoni kakra be komoni na mbe hu ne ya maso den Ghana fo so den wo ka sem bia kire Ghana ni awonte na ye tie man mu ni amapan na obi efri ne man so no na ebe decide amayen no akofa wo haw ni amanne ni wo yonne na odi abeto yeso Ghana fo ya so nya den sa o Ghana fo so nya den na manfram na mo abefre mu no omo na ama ene ye ho kire ya omo akoto aba ye mpe ama ene ye ho kire ye o manfram na omo abefra ye mu no na Ghana ni bia ni ho be mistake ato aba emfa so bia amle oman no emfa so bia amle youth ene aden ene o haw ni amane enti be matimi aboa ne yele ne ma no atwa adi petrol ahye ne yele ne ma aden wa haw no soma no ekomo ni wo hwe ne ye ba na wontimi nyina no enti na best ya ne se okuno huku ne yele ne ma na asa aden ene wo se ba ne sa bla ne se ne yele wo se komo emole wo se mole client omo kotena ho saa ne yele bie enuane dwa wo se kotena ho saa ye nto no omo atum no omo abefie ene oba shop wo ene wo se na enuane kura ne nto na mo amoton tade yi mo be den ene wo se black bie mo misi wo na misi mi tie wo mo na misi aye nyina ye jejireje enye ba akofo nko a na ne nanane abelewa ye nyina ye jejireje ene ye nne o my Ghana ya so odin mo te ho obi firi ni kurom ma mo nya Ghana card ma no ma mo register wo mo ni ya twi fam ye enipa nso ni ya twi ntwi fam ni ya di nipa ne na boda ne ya be register wo mo no mo ato abahunu ene ma mo kwato ye wono wo firi mu ane wo koni kurom o ni ye ne ya bete ho pentere nkwa aden
Ghanaians do not need Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Delegates, don't make mistakes.
So wo pese ye to aba Emma will prefer candidate share and throw analysis back with science and data. Of course, may criticize it, but very constructively, not destructively. Ghanaian by birth, as Santini kron by grace. Hebzia, yes, see.
3, 2, 1.
Meda say and me person me ye me fie adwuma me person me di me fie asem na for some time now enkrofo bebre enamwa womo pedal falsehood against Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and I can't even think far. Say fine brains in NPP, brilliant guys in NPP today, they act as if someone see classroom crowd, fine and brilliant people I know in NPP. Why you winning delegate to Abamo preferred candidate? But it's a shame. It's a shame. Now, without taking it from the horse's own mouth, please just take and watch these two videos for me. One.
Nana do ko abato also 2020 no. Wanya 78,467. Votes are na dunya no. I represent over 60%. So
Yeah.
Ana adwo asafo kura ni papa nti hold on mu pa bibi pa. Adwo asafo kura nya 65,041 votes. But Professor Mark Ekwe ba na efe no. Aaron Mark Ekwe no. Onya 50,000 votes. Na ba o me anam 5,000. Hey, fish here me who be da I want people abakwase mu. 5,000 votes. Domin kwabrenya.
Abusia sawte ahoden any the audacity na papa we edit TV station so etwa santron. Sawte. Okay. Take and watch the second video.
Let's get this straight. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, not again. We've done our checks in just ended elections at Dominic Kobina, that of 2020 and 2024, and the results and differences will shock you. Let's get straight into it. In 2020, Honorable Sarah Adjwasafo had 75,041 votes. Nana Adudankwa Ekufuado had 78,467. Let's just suppose it to 2024. 2024 on the ballots for the parliamentary, Michael Aaron Yauninote Okwe had 50,699. Dr. Bawumia had 5,146. Let's see the difference. A different margin of 45,553. The question is, why did these people refuse to vote for Dr. Bawumia? The answer is simple. They do not need him.
Now, I want to give you the pink sheet, a certified pink sheet from Domi Kwabenya. What easy Nankasankasa website. In fact, when you go to the easy website, you can put this document up. Okay? On the face of this pink sheet, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia had 48,594. Okay? And Omampeni Mahama John also had 51,712. Okay, so me busa say, sa 5,000 na mo say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nyaye no mo konya sa figure ni free. Mo konya free. And Omampeni Mahama John nya 50,000 and na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia nya 5,000 eti among 4 penalty. Oh. Do you think that this thing can win you that vote you want? Do you think say delegates na omo kwakwa to aba no sebe omo adwen wo form one say the wo kan ebe mo omo ato aba de amawana. You guys are joking. You guys are joking. Fine, brilliant guys. Well, you're very decisive, rich in ideas, very solid man, fearless and courageous. Or Berryman Kukudrufua, or what Ghana, Edana Komaso. Let's vote number 3. Let's vote Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. This is Ghana.
What is it? Say a mantia ne mabawa, epese kosoja. And you know, a minus say amount of forms 200 Ghana cedis. Now just multiply 200 Ghana cedis by the times the number of people motor a share as me see what air work. The baba peso. Our bama amananya soja ya for simple. Nya ba bonya ba fun aba kankan am penfu ma jimi kwasiafo muni minyanza ma frustrate the young adults ma omu hu dem for omu life banye ekoma soja ya for simple am akoye power cho se be soja oba Ghana a different thing. Right up peso to the extent say nipa 6 after me 6 in critical condition and then the rest no. How? All because they want to be soldiers. They want to serve their nation. Now about can't for bunny politicians who are for Jimmy Amodomo, more the man air to chacha, more the youth no abrabo air to chacha or a brand baby soldier. nipa apɛ so a obi okɔdi sogya no sɛ okɔwu ɔwɔ wagye obiara 200 Ghana cedis hwɛ no wɔ people the whole country edwuma ni wɔ the boys want to be almost for the soldier. Then some force on. In fact, politicians, Ghana, both parties, be are very disappointed. We are very disappointed. Very, very, very disappointed. What's your for?
Yeah, Juma, a boy or mine. I may kind of say, I need to meet new professor from Port Watson Freemuda. As we say, although I know, yeah, sector minister. I all know, and the being to me corner him. In fact, now, excavators I actually near the home. I corner him as a lawyer for my client. The minute didn't come on, I'm imagine a far near my cost on the environmental issues. Now, preoccupation of now, go for honor, Nebrewo, EPA. What are you doing? Then I will say, and I'm so prof, Minyanya DPR. Man, Uncle, Policy Commission, no, so far, in TBBR. No, say, until the recommendo for EPR over Pana. I'm sure what they let me have some more baby. No, no friend with you. Also, I'm chief of staff, I'm in Frima, and the Manasiano pay. And then Akasa, na chief of staff, so any president, Akasa, presidency is in order. They should go ahead and appoint me to EP. That's how come I come they could do EP. Now, Professor Bob Watson, they call EP and now introducing me as my staff. And Okoka say, I am bringing to you a superhuman being who will come and work with you and reform this place. Now, so Kwame, basically that's the background.
I see. Now, in Yanuwa, a buyer, a be what they were talking about certain infractions, normally at the idea, a do baby, a sikabi or why, so Mukoya investment near the idea. No, Emma Mekaise, Honorable Abna or Sasa Krabus, say, are you clothed with that powers? Sir, Mubetimia ye investment in near the idea. And on that was saying, Sir, are you clothed with that powers? Sir, as a car, Munyano, would be investment.
I would say the old Act, Act 490 of 1994. The Environmental Protection Agency by the HM Kona Mamia Yamia for Kwame call section 1, subsection 2 or 3 at the country. I say Environmental Protection Agency is a legal entity that can be sued and can sue and be sued. 2, I say it can enter into any transaction. Any transaction. Eti kwame na emra ho na ye wo hwe nyina so eti se ye sikasem hwehwe na bi ebika aye friend surplus na ye mfa nko to kwa keke ye invest ewo investment ahodo mu T bills na and also yield the revenue and dividends at the Environmental Protection Agency. So it was part of the prudent financial arrangement. Now, indeed, in public entities like EP and they say, oh, board. Now, board, no, only a forward-looking, progressive. Now, I say, almost say, omubabwa ama udwumadie ne wadwe mpa management mode bana eno boa papa and to that side board chairman no Mr. Kwesieni pachome mmecha papa a very prominent entrepreneur no say mining engineer ono na now that board na no the PM the director that yeah equal see be see hom say there be hom yehwe ni say na yahwe the possible options ofi ho ana Professor Kwesi Apiani Nado university lecturer now or a director or Institute of Environment and Sanitation Studies and also a besum on the another board to buy now on also a bois papa say he was very, very instrumental on our environmental scientist by himself. It now appreciate all that we do as EPA. It is now your team, they bet me invest a seeker a war. The question so bizarre a bank seeker now seeker free him. Who is Obisano?
What was that day?
Obisa say, now she cannot invest in a one seeker, bank seeker now.
I never beside. Yeah.
That and basic and free baby. Let me put it on record. The first President Mohammed's government, the first term in office, and now a buying watch. It's not a buying say a buying you be you free a buying responsibility financially. So they are friend government subvention. It's one of those affected institutions every year EPA. Nti abanyi ni safri EPA so omo EPA ho kabia enu tina akwaya ti se akwada wadi 19 years na maame no papa se anyina afro obon na wan kasa bobla nti EPA di ni tripempem ya ono an oyeye levies kakra wadi charges ana ode hwe no ho opem se yense ba abamu nti na ehu behia se yetoa Sajumedi and Sunia Pekwa Frobia, now innovative ways be a bit increasing revenue. They are expanded the scope of EPA. Now, Yama EPA, a corner, now in Ghana, in Abbey, who we are to be. So that was the reformative action that took place from 2021 up to 2024 with the free office. Until we had a specific target to make sure that Ghana will be EPA, but EPA. EPA for being Ghana for human who going in now per the law. BPA say EPA representation BPA and Sani Aquaman on so and make sure that Ghana will participate actively in the environmental global governance system, including climate change. Until we rolled out this massive reformative programs, and thanks to God. The Biana the President Kufuor if you say Omayan Kwine you are minister. Make Kenya the latest sector minister was Dr. Kokwe Free. And he was very, very much supportive and tried that. So be micro manage EPA from the ministry, not at all. And you know my Kwine you need a board no BPM no proposals to be a debate now suggestions to be a debate. And innovations to be a better it's no bon ma it's me a make a free office a crack academy and sepi are no down safe region. The sources are now your sources always or plans to say obey roll out it's a babua. And na EP and Casatica and Ghana government sika. Ya mo friend IGF no. It's the more na ya boa no. A DBT ya hoka. Na EDP operations. You make sure say EPA viable. Ya kwa by one could be a capre bada. Rather, EPA yena na ma ban sika. Ye ma ban sika through the Ministry of Environment. If you say first quarter dia na ma Ministry of Environment 1 million cities. If you say no EPA ma Ministry of Environment 4 million cities. That is for the record, Kwame.
Yamran some for Frostwell. Yamran some for Frostwell, and some for no, and no, Baku be P. Munise, motor car mako 45 at a go. Emma ayi nipa bi kwa ka say wow. Sakas no are
Kwame, as part of the reformation, no, any transformation of EPA, no, you identify who say revenue never need low. Staff, here, any or ye, your friend staff welfare and Kwame and low. And Tina morale, my found canona and form. A band also an affected productivity. It's then you reach me. The first move, was 380 staff nationwide. Womana some EPA, no, one is woefully inadequate. It's a who be here says the numbers need to come again through the minister, Professor from Paul Boateng, directive from the president, Omama Quine, and the recruitment. Recruitment, ye na me predecessor, Mr. John Foreman, ye na all active and Assin me call home. I was said, I interviews the crowd. The banner quickly, no, ye double no, did come. Finally, it's me for nipa close to 370 or so. If you the man, number 9 for Tron Dadano, you increasing by 100%. That before you bear sano, then my ye friend. Ghost hunting all across Ghana. If you share the staff away EPA aso some of will be woman I will move this guy so much. I mean a head count anyway, me catching a man not a single school and a person back one is me. Into a market no to all. You na if say galamsey and illegal mining a dot na Jumaku Environmental Protection Agency. Yes, you did more continue. Main so say staff will be involved directly or indirectly. Now, family, no, staff will be our EPA and yet involved war illegal mining. It set me at peace. Then, the accountancy provided the needed leadership. You targeted staff recruitment. Now, what targeted staff recruitment? Here, a tribune space. A baby, Omogatna, a Jumane, a Juma Kabie. It's your target here and quickly all the regions, you know, the dear spaces, Danny, and yeah, now we are here quickly, a year, near man, cracker. And I have furnished, refurnish all the regional offices to make it available, place available for people to go in and work. If we are next, you know, and offices be all region, normally Adiana access and also yes, and young crack running in a few regions, sleeping in the office cry, Tamale, that be until start from the scratch. Yes, here we IDP, one of the most beautiful office edifices, or Tamale. I call Damango, and then Sebako, either say Brikumo, so you know, you're commission 5. It's a year no suvi sano. I just say staff ni benya baby ako. Na say the staff no ya pani bi. Ya year offices ya expanding no. Na say ya be juma dia kai vehicle movement mobility. It's kwam o year head counter na EPA at that time. That's a obu wa betimi aka say a year viable a year juma betimi aboa na be 20. If you decided to send me comprehensively, no, you buy a vehicle. They are quite so I never could because M1 is no and also. It's your bubbles are carrying yes, investment in maybe here car. You said any sika that why I offer the cost for cash. Into a contracted loan of $3 million from a reputable bank. Well, I mean, I don't mind EcoBank. If you know, on to say and share, a share, Grandpa, or Mubitini, Abua.